Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can listen to music with one earphone. We have mono mode for this earbud, but you can use the right one. You cannot use mono mode with the left earbud. So now let me open the Bluetooth. As you can see, we still have connection with these earbuds. Now, if I put my left earbud, so nothing changed, we still have connection and I can still use the right earbud. But if I put my right earbud to the charging case to use only left earbud, this earbud is just disconnected from the phone. The right one is your active earbud, and as you can see, we have no connection. I can try to reconnect it, but I cannot do this. So my short answer is yes, you can use one earbud, but only right one. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.